Cappy, and welcome to Capybara World, where in my bullet journal we can do all of the fun little things that capybara do and just be capybaras for a minute or two. Anyways, so I drew a whole bunch of capybaras for my bullet journal this month, and I was really doing a lot of capybara observing. They're super cute and I just love them, and I kind of wish I had a pet capybara, although for me that will never be a thing. Anyways, I love their little faces and their little side eye and their little square snouts. So I just did my best for a quick sketch before I had to go to work the other day and traced it over. And when I was drawing them, like I said, I just used this little kind of squarish noggin and gave them some fun stuff to do, like oranges on their head. And for instance, also like bird friends who ride along. And later on in the journal, you'll even see a little turtle. If you stick with me till the end, you will get to see what my full journal spread looks like in colored form. So not full Technicolor, just full colored pencil color. But it's pretty cute, and like I said, it's going to keep me smiling all month long, enjoying these little capybaras living in a capybara world. Somehow there's a song in my head that goes with it, which is kind of silly. So here's the little guy riding on the turtle. It is his turn. He has, after all, given 2 separate bird rides during this whole bullet journal. And I think capybaras probably love to ride on turtles, as well as I've seen them riding on crocodiles and on other capybaras. So definitely this one had to go for a ride. And here's the last one. I think if I was capybara, I would want to finish my day with a delicious slice of watermelon. So here's this little guy doing just exactly that. Now, I told you if you stay tuned for the final review, you can see my bullet journal. Here it is in colored pencil form using those 20-some-year-old Crayolas that I have. Anyway, here's your capybaras. I hope you have a great Cappy month and you feel like you're living in a Cappy world. Chill. Great days to you. Bye.